So we're here in Kotor, Montenegro. I've been here before and it's a really beautiful place. So Dennis is really excited about seeing it.
I am. I can't wait to see the old town and the city walls. It does look really nice here, so can't wait to go and explore.
Let's go. This is Kotor Old Town. It's very pretty. Dennis thought we could walk up the walls there, but it's actually the entrance to someone's house. Look, as soon as he sees a gift shop. This would have been lots of crack during the medieval times. Look at this guy, just flaked out. There's lovely little restaurants and cafes all around. It's a very nice town. We could have done with a map. There's a map, look there. Up these steps. If I go all the way up these steps and there's no fortress, I'll be raging. Oh, there's a sign for fortress, so it must be up here. Look, there's people's like houses on the way up to the fortress. Are you sure we're on the way to a fortress? Like, if you're going to build a fortress, this is the place to do it, because by the time the enemy gets all the way up these steps, they'll have no energy left to attack the fortress. It's 15 euros into Kotor Fortress, and I think because I had already committed to all the steps, I just went with it. This looks abandoned. It's like something from an Eastern European horror movie. The only thing is, at least I'll feel like I've deserved that pizza at the buffet later. It just keeps going up, doesn't it? There's still a bit to go. It's all the way up there, Dennis. Do you want to wait here and I'll come back for you? You probably could have done with a cable car. A long way to go. We're so high up and we're not even at the top yet. Yeah, not long to go now. They should have one path up and one path down. This is causing chaos. How is there still more steps? At least there's a nice breeze up here. Dennis, you welcome the breeze. Dennis has made the executive decision that he's had enough, so I'm going to venture onto the summit alone. I'm not sure why people have tied their water bottle labels onto this railing. Are we finally in the fortress? Yeah, look at that for a view. So I made it to the top. Do you know, there was times there when I thought those stairs were never going to end, but here we are. The only problem is I've got to go back down now. Oh, you made it. I can't believe you made it up. Thought you had given up at one stage. Look at those views though. Look how high up we are.
We walked.
Dennis, we have to go all the way back down those steps.
Down
I think this was a good way to assess my tolerance for Everest Base Camp. You can see the start of the steps all the way down there. There is what I can only describe as didgeridoo forkers holding up the descent. Dennis, an overtake needs to happen. We finally got past, but there's quite a lot of people now stuck behind them. Dennis storming down now, he's gotten past. Was it raining here? Why is it wet? It started to rain. You're going to get yourself a Montenegro football jersey. Do you want a Montenegro beach towel?
No, I have a beach towel. That would be very sad.
Dennis is just venturing out into the rain. I don't like it. Let's just wait until it stops somewhere. It's absolutely torrential now. We're just going to wait it out in this gift shop. We did get a lovely Christmas decoration. Look at these Santas, these are amazing. We're like in a thunderstorm. There's a river now flowing down the street. Dancing in the rain, dancing in the rain. Right, the rain is not stopping, so we're going to head off. Thanks very much. Do you have to pay into the church? This is lovely. I mean, if you were to look for somewhere to shelter from the rain, this would be it. It's so nice. It's ironic that we're now finding shelter in the church given the biblical storm that's outside. Do you want to say a prayer to St. Nicholas to make the rain stop? There's a church over there I want to say. We're going over to this church over here, St. Luke's. I thought you were going to leave without me there.
Well, if you need to be snappy, Colin.
It's very wet. This is St. Luke's Church. I don't know why they got this church across from the other church, but it's a lot smaller. St. Luke. Look at that, that's gorgeous. This is the front of St. Nicholas's Church that we were in a moment ago. We're going to continue our
Colin,
attempt.
you need to be closer to me. You're getting me fucking wet. What are you doing?
I'm walking through here. We're going to continue our attempts to sightsee through the rain. This is the fountain I wanted to see.
This?
Yeah, I didn't realise what it was going to be, but it said the fountain.
This is the fountain of fucking youth.
There's literally rivers running down the streets. My feet are very wet. There was meant to be a maritime museum, but I can't look at the maps. Is this a maritime museum? There's anchors. Let's go this way. Right, we're going to make another run for it. When I say run, we're just going to walk fast under the umbrella. We should have got two umbrellas now that I think of it.
Yes, we should.
I wanted to get some nice pictures of the church, but it's raining.
Snore. Colin,
Yeah, enjoying your day in Montenegro.
yeah, thoroughly enjoying it.
It's lovely apart from the rain.
Stopping it.
I'm holding the umbrella because Dennis is not very good at it.
Colin, you're pissing me off. Now I'm getting back.
Dennis, do you want an I Love Kotar mug? Do you want a flamingo? We keep stopping in gift shops to take a little break from the rain. So we're off to our next gift shop. That's not appropriate for a gift shop.
Old castle jewellery.
Just to note as well, in case you're thinking, why has that plonker got his sunglasses on in the rain? They're prescription, and I can't see without them. So that's the way back to the boat. Everyone is just waiting here. Is that not the wrong ship? I kind of just jettisoned the use of the umbrella now because I'm wet anyway. They gave us nice warm towels as they came on, that's nice. The fortress we walked to is all the way up there. So we've had a costume change out of our wet clothes and the weather has completely changed now. It's very sunny.
It is, and I don't have my sunglasses now, so I have to be like this for the whole video.
So yeah, KOTOR was an absolutely lovely place. I really enjoyed seeing it. I loved walking up to the fortress. I know Dennis wasn't as keen on it.
Had a few issues. There was a lot of steps.
It was your idea though.
I know
So,
it was.
and-
Next time I have any bright ideas like that, I shall not suggest them.
No, I really enjoyed it. It's a
It was.
lovely city. It's very nice. It's very pretty, and yeah, we had a great day.